Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're scratching your head over the error code 88 on your Maytag dryer in 2025, you're not alone. This pesky code can pop up and halt your laundry routine, but don't worry, I'm here to break it down step by step so you can get things running smoothly again. First off, let's talk about what error code 88 means. In Maytag dryers, this code often signals a communication error between the control board and other components, like sensors or the user interface. It could be caused by a simple glitch, power surge, or something more serious like a faulty part. To start troubleshooting, the easiest fix is a reset. Unplug your dryer from the wall for at least 5 minutes. This gives the system a chance to clear any temporary errors. Once you plug it back in, run a test cycle and see if the code disappears. If that doesn't work, check for common issues like lint buildup in the vents or a blocked exhaust. These can cause overheating, which might trigger the error. Make sure your dryer's door is closing properly too, as a faulty door switch is a frequent culprit. If you're feeling handy, you might want to inspect the thermal fuse or the control board itself. The thermal fuse is a safety device that blows if things get too hot, and replacing it is straightforward with the right tools. But remember, always prioritize safety, turn off the power and wear protective gear. If these steps don't resolve the issue, it might be time to call in a professional technician to avoid any risks or further damage. In the future, prevent this error by regularly cleaning your dryer, keeping vents clear, and avoiding overloading. That way, your Maytag will keep chugging along without interruptions. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home appliance tips. See you next time.